In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in OneDrive. This simple task can help you organize your files efficiently, making it easier to store and access your documents, photos, and other important files. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to developing a more organized digital workspace. To start, you'll want to head to the OneDrive website. You can access it by opening your web browser and typing in the OneDrive URL, or searching for it through your preferred search engine. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, simply enter your credentials to get started. With your OneDrive dashboard open, your next move is to locate the option to create or upload files. This is usually found on the left side of your screen. Look for a button or link that says Create or Upload. This button is key because it will provide the options you need to create a new folder. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu or a new dialog with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Folder. By clicking on the Folder option, you're telling OneDrive that you wish to create a new folder in which you can organize and store your files. Once you click on Folder, you'll typically be prompted to name your new folder. Here, you have the chance to be creative or specific. Choose a name that accurately describes the content you plan to store inside. This could be something like vacation photos, work documents, or any other name that suits your needs. After entering your folder name, confirm your choice by clicking Create, and just like that, your new folder is created. You'll be able to see it appear among your other files and folders on OneDrive. When the folder is created, it will be an empty space where you can start uploading and organizing your files. To move files into your folder, simply drag and drop them from your existing files or upload new ones directly into the folder. Remember, creating folders is the first step towards an organized cloud storage system. By doing this, you give yourself the ability to sort files into categories, making them easier to locate in the future. OneDrive also allows you to share folders with others, which can be especially useful for collaborative projects or sharing family photos. With these easy steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently manage your files on OneDrive, keeping your digital life organized and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your digital workspace.